Advantages of 3D laser scanning in the construction and remodeling of buildings. Speeds construction progress. One of the significant advantages of 3D laser scanning is that contractors can update digital drawings continuously throughout the project. It also provides access to the information they need on demand. Having the ability to get an accurate view of the current status of the project can drastically streamline the construction process. This information speeds up the initial planning phase and increases productivity throughout the project. Prevent costly and time-consuming rework. It is no secret that rework is common during construction projects. Both insufficient designs and lack of communication are two reasons why errors occur on construction projects. The use of 3D lasers in residential construction and renovation can help mitigate these risk factors. At Foundtech, we offer technical solutions for integrated projects in civil engineering, industrial, environmental, urban planning and architecture. We have the best tools and software for the development of pre-reports, presentations, and documentation. If you are looking for a professional company for the 3D modeling of your projects, contact us.